just gotta sit here for a few hours, get some help, and I'll be back home. I'll wait. I can wait. I can wait for a few hours. I can wait for a few hours. I can wait. Where's my car keys? Where's my car keys? Oh God. Oh. I can't help myself. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't be in here. I can't be in here for hours without car keys. Oh God, I feel homeless. I should just go on the street with cardboard, and instead for asking for dollars, I should ask for car keys. I can't believe I lost my car keys. Can't believe it. Where's my car keys? Where's my car keys? I got my car keys. I'm gonna be stuck here.